83 proposals this month. 83. And maybe 2 people even reply. What am I doing wrong here? Looks familiar? Upwork and Fiverr are flooded, hundreds of freelancers bidding down the same job. You're not one of 50 proposals, you're the only message in someone's inbox that morning. I sent 83 emails last month, 7 people booked a call, 2 became paying clients. This isn't a lucky cold email, it's a repeatable system built on one number the industry doesn't talk about enough: list size. In this video, I'll share the exact 3-tool stack, the real math behind that reply rate, and a free template in copy today. Before you get excited, industry average cold emails only get a 3% reply rate. But with small, targeted lists and personalization,
we regularly hit 8 to 12%.
Not luck, mechanism. The system is 3 tools working together. Apollo to find the right 50 people, instantly to send and manage replies, and AI to write one custom line per email, so it never reads like a template. Open Apollo, go to People Search, and filter by job title, industry, company size, and location. For local clients, I filter for owners or found under 20 employees. Once our target companies are saved, we pivot seamlessly to find the key decision makers. Apollo instantly surfaces their profiles with verified email and mobile numbers. Finally, select your new prospects and export them to a clean CSV file. Your hyper-targeted outreach list is verified and ready to build your pipeline in minutes. Want to book more meetings on autopilot? Instantly.ai is the fastest way to launch your cold email campaigns. Head to their website to start your trial. Create a new campaign, craft your personalized sequence with dynamic variables. 3 emails work best. The first opens the door, the follow-up hits the top of their inbox, and the no worries breakup email often secures the highest reply rate. And upload the prospect CSV you exported from Apollo. Your lead pipeline is now ready. Review your fields, set your limits, and hit launch. Use the real-time analytics dashboard to track open rates, replies, and watch those client meetings roll in. Quality beats quantity here. 100 tightly matched leads will always outperform 1,000 random ones. That's the whole reason small lists post higher reply rates than mass blasts. Instantly handles sending, inbox warm-up, and rotation across multiple inboxes, so your emails land in the primary tab instead of getting buried in spam. This is the step most people skip. Feed each lead's website or LinkedIn into an AI prompt that writes one custom opening line, something specific about their business, not a generic compliment. Instead of "Hi there, hope you're well," it says something like noticing their site hasn't been updated in years or a recent post they made. That one line is the difference between deleted and replied. I put my exact 3 email sequence, subject lines, and the AI personalization prompt into a free swipe file. Links in the description. Grab it before your next cold email.
That's the system. Build it once, let it earn on loop. I'll see you in the next one.